If you want to impress your family and friends on game day, we are spilling the secrets of the Boiler Up Bar today, and specifically learning how to make the signature cocktail, the signature old fashioned. I have Anna Alberti, the bar manager, here today. Tell us what makes this particular drink so special.
So the signature old fashioned is a spin on the classic old fashioned. We add some of our own elements to make it extra special.
Okay, time to dive in. What is the first step?
All right, so we're gonna start off with black walnut bitters. Typically in a traditional old fashioned, you're gonna use something a little bit more citrusy. For this, you're gonna do 2 dashes. We're gonna move on to our vanilla Demerara syrup. This is a simple syrup made with turbinado sugar, and it's going to have a lot of sweetness in it, a lot more than a typical old-fashioned, makes it a lot more approachable for people who are new to old fashions and bourbon in general.
Great
you do
idea.
1/2 ounce of this, and then you'll do 2 ounces of your preference bourbon. We use Benchmark here.
What would you recommend if you didn't have this on hand?
You could do Elijah Craig, you could do Basil Hayden, anything in your liquor cabinet that you prefer.
I wish you could smell it. It smells amazing already.
All right, and then to dilute it, we'll stir it just for a few seconds here. And then we'll top it off on a big rock in one of our rocks glasses. I have to grab that from back here.
And just to clarify for people like me that didn't know, that means the giant ice cube.
Yeah, the big ice cube. We'll pour it right over that. All right, and then for a garnish, we'll use an orange swath. You're gonna wanna express the orange swath right on top of the mixed cocktail and then around the edges to make sure that you get that orange taste.
Like
And
artwork.
Yeah. And then the final thing is going to be a Luxardo cherry just to top it off.
It looks so delicious. And the fun thing is this is not the only fancy drink. Tell us what happens on game day here.
Our bartenders also compete in a competition on game days. We do a specialty cocktail assigned each weekend to one of our bartenders where they are going to compete who can do the most sales with their cocktail.
Okay.
And whoever wins at the end of the season, they get to add it to the menu.
Give us a sense of some of the drinks that they came up with because they do get quite creative.
Yeah, so we do anything from a spritz to a apple martini to something with caramel. It just depends on the season and what the bartender likes. It's open to creativity.
Okay, well, I think we have to taste this because it is so beautiful. Not normally an old-fashioned person. I think I'm converted. Well done, this is delicious.
Thank
If you'd
you.
like a closer look at the recipe, you of course can visit them at the Boiler Up Bar, or you can head to their website.